testing out my camera with the zoom already on. It's pretty amazing how far it goes. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like this camera a lot. The only thing I dislike is the fact that you can hear the shit, you know, the lens. I'm pretty sure you can hear it. Oh fuck. But yeah, it's a pretty cool ass camera. It was real cheap too for the price. See, Beaver Valley Bull's over that way. See if I could get it without those leaves interfering. Yeah, there it is right there. Beaver Valley Bull, home to cellar dwellers. And of course, the movie Kingpin was filmed there. That's in Rochester right now. This is a pretty cool ass camera. It's amazing. Just the zoom on this thing is amazing. I mean, look, it's somebody's house. It's crazy.